How to delete Facebook page permanently. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this quick and very easy video. Now if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is simply go to any page that you own. So over here I have two of my pages, and let's say I want to delete the page test one. Then I click on there, and I have now switched to the Facebook page like layout. Now I'm like inside the page instead of my own account. Basically it looks the same as you can see, but now I'm inside the page. So now what you want to do is go to the menu again and simply click on the settings icon. Now here you actually want to search for delete, just like that. Delete page tests page in and information. Click on there. So here you have two options to deactivate the page. So this can be temporary, but you clicked in this video because you want to permanently delete it. So you should click on the delete page option. Now here you want to click on continue. And then here you have to select a reason why. So you can also just not do that actually. And then here it says before you delete, you can, for example, save all the posts in your archive, download all the info, and transfer the info just like that. So if you would like to do that, then do that now, because after this, your page will be permanently deleted. So then once you've done all that, or you don't even want to do that, click on continue, enter your password, and there you go. After that, your page will be permanently deleted. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.